Let me start by saying a very big thank you to my first 100 subscribers. I mean, this means a lot to me, and I promise that I'll continue to create valuable content for you all. So for this video, I'm just going to show us how we can transform our audio to sounding like this to sounding like this, right? So the thing is, to be honest with you, this mic that you're seeing here is not on. Yes, I'm just putting it there just for formality's sake. To be honest with you, I'm recording this video directly to my camera. There's no external recording device that I'm using, but then you can hear how beautiful this sounds, right? So if this is what you would like to learn, or maybe you're a content creator and you don't have money to buy expensive devices, expensive audio devices, then this video is for you. Within some minutes, I will teach you how you can transform your audio and make it sound better. One thing is to create content, and another thing is to make your audio sound as clear as this, so that your viewers can hear you and hear you very well, right? So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, I'm just gonna load my browser. So I load my browser. I head quickly to podcasts.adobe.com. Hit enter. So it's just going to allow it to load. So when you load the URL, you'll be directed to this page. This is the landing page, and it's called Adobe Podcast. So I noticed a lot of people haven't heard about this particular tool, or maybe you've heard about this tool, but then you've not tried it out. I mean, I saw a video online the other day where someone was talking about it, and I really felt fulfilled when I got the information, right? So I decided to give it a try, because one of the reasons why I've been postponing this YouTube content creation for a while is because I've been trying to get a good audio recording device, right? And the good ones out there are so expensive. So when I got the information, I had to go check it out, and man, the result was crazy, right? So when you get to this page, you see AI powered audio tools that elevate your voice, right? So what you have to do is, already I have an account with them, but if you don't have any account with them, if this is your first time visiting the website, you just sign up. I already have an account with them. So what I do is I scroll down and click on enhance speech, right? So I just click on this button right here and allow it to load. Then it brings me to this page, enhanced speech version 2. Our best AI speech enhancement model is now available, right? So you just scroll up, and here you can see drop files to enhance, right? So this is where we'll be doing the job here. And when you hover on this particular button, you'll be able to see the available formats. There are different available audio formats, right? So for this particular tool, the only acceptable format is audios with the .wav extension, or .mp3, .asc, and the rest, right? And the maximum duration is 30 minutes, right? So that means you can upload a maximum of 30 minutes audio to this particular tool, right? Then the maximum size is 500 MB, right? And the total daily limit is 1 hour. So this is actually for the free version, right? The free version. So you can always upgrade by clicking here Then when you click here, you check their pricing, and maybe you go with the one you're comfortable with. But for the sake of this video, we'll be talking about the free version. We just talk about the free version. If maybe you decide to upgrade later, then that will be left for you, right? So next we'll do is we click on choose file. Just click on choose file, and it brings up your file explorer. So now this is where you choose the video of your choice, the audio that you want to enhance, right? So let me check for let me check for an audio here so that we can use it. Let me select an audio from here, then we use for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to use this particular audio here. I open it, then you allow it to load. You see, it's uploading my audio right now. So you just give it time, depending on the size of your audio. If your audio is big in size, that means it will take more time for it to, finish the upload. You just have to be patient with it and allow it to do the magic for you. So we will just, hold on for a while the audio is being uploaded, right? Awesome. So you can see that it says your audio is ready. So what we just do is either we play it or we download it, right? So for me, what I usually do is when I upload it and allow it to do the magic for me, when it's done, I just hit on download. So when I download it, I can now, let me click on download. When I'm done downloading it, I can now, take it to my video editing. I take it to my video editing software, then I continue the editing here. So if you find this video interesting, please do like, subscribe to my channel, and please, I would like you to share to your friends and family. This space is all about evolving technologies and software development. Whether you are a coding newbie, a tech enthusiast, or a developer looking to level up, we will dive into tools, tutorials, trends, and real-life tech insights that matter. From breaking down complex concepts to exploring how tech is shaping the future, trust me, we got you covered. So, if you are passionate about how things work behind the scene, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's build, learn, and grow together.